Hello, my name is Lesley Deniston and I am the principal of All Saints National School, Mullingar, County Westmeath. I have 6 teachers on staff and 90 pupils. I graduated from CICE in 2003 and spent the first 12 years of my career working in 2 rural primary schools. I was working for a few years in All Saints when the principal retired after 41 years. Nearly 30 of them as principal. The job was advertised and nobody was appointed. I was asked by the girls on staff would I go for it, and I very quickly replied, no. The job wasn't filled that summer and life continued on as normal till it was re-advertised in the October. People started to say to me, why wouldn't you go for the job? You'd be great at the job. You know the school, the parents, the pupils, the teachers. Go on, go for it. The answer still remained N-O, no. I was talked into applying within 20 minutes to the closing time. So 6 years on, here I am, mammy, principal, teacher, plumber, hairdresser, psychologist, electrician, dentist. And this is just a few jobs that I, Lesley Deniston, small school principal, carry out on a daily basis. I'm also organist here and I run after school activities and cook the dinner somewhere in between. I love my life, and as they say, if you love your job, you'll never work a day in your life. For this podcast, I'm reflecting on what makes a good principal and how did it change the way I do my teaching. What are the pressures? What are the pluses in my job? Does it change the relationship that I have with my colleagues? Today, principals are seen as someone who greets the children in the yard, someone who is there to listen to the children, help them reach their true potential and have their best interests at heart. However, being the principal means a lot of hard work and grave responsibility. The buck always stops with you. You need to know everything about your school, from where the water enters the school, the electricity meter is located, to where the septic tank is. You must get to know each individual student and their families to be there for them in times of joy and sadness. You need to be approachable, but at the same time respected. Have a strong presence in the school, be visible, ensure that good discipline is kept both within the staff and the students. So how do I manage all of these things? The children in my class are my priority. They must get a good education, and this must happen while juggling the challenges that a small school brings. Each visitor to the door wants to see me. From the oilman, the church wardens, the nurse, the parent who wishes to enroll their child in the school. I have become a genius at multitasking. Always, always, always being prepared. Extra work in the box, and my head never, ever, ever stops thinking and thinking ahead. Being super organized, thinking what is happening tomorrow. Oh, the football match. Is the bus organized? Have we got a ref? Have we got the team jerseys? Good leadership, where teamwork is concerned, is crucial. I delegate. Can someone else on staff organise science experiments, teams for sports day, for example? If the team works together, then the best results can be achieved. I am blessed with the most wonderful of staff. These guys have been behind me 100% ever since I took over. In fact, I may never have put in the application, only for they encouraged me. No matter what changes I've implemented, they have given it their all. They have helped me out, bought chocolate and made tea when times were tough, and celebrated when times were good. They are a constant help and support to me. Credit must also be given and always shown. A simple thank you when they have helped you out goes a really long way. I really enjoy the challenges that the role of the principal brings. I am constantly problem solving, helping people out, celebrating with people, representing the school at various functions, being a role model for children, while also watching children reach their true potential and achieving their dreams. With this said, there are a lot of pressures to my job. I am on call 24 hours a day. My head never stops thinking or worrying on a Sunday afternoon. I have to think, is the heating coming on? Is there salt to de-ice the path? Will I be climbing across the wall to see if the oil tank needs refilling or sorting out the photocopier? The list of tasks is endless, and no 2 days are ever the same. However, the pluses always outweigh the minuses. There are so many good points to my job, and I really love going into school each day. I love being part of a team and seeing my school going from strength to strength. I love seeing the children reach their true potential, and I love being part of the team. It is a real privilege to be part of a very special school, to be part of people's lives and feeling that you are helping people out along the way. How does being promoted from class teacher to principal affect your relationship with your colleagues? So I asked my fellow staff. They said that they saw me as a friend and someone they could talk to, and they knew that I would support them too. They respected me as a person, and they knew that any decision I would make would have the school's best interests at heart, so they would be there to try their best to support me. Some felt sorry for me, as all the responsibility lay on my shoulders. They liked the way I included everyone in decision making and took everybody's opinions on board before I came to my final decision. They said I was fair when it came to course days, and I understood if they or a family member was sick. My colleagues are also my friends. I know that should I need support, I would immediately have help. Teaching is a wonderful career, and one which I am so delighted to have gone into. I wouldn't change a thing about my life at the moment, and even though things may be busy, it is so rewarding. I love the creativity and the busyness of being a teaching principal. I could not do it without the support of my colleagues and the wider school community. Thank you.